Alright, hello everyone.
Today, I'm going to show you how to get extended security updates for Windows 10 through October 2026. And to do it in a completely legal way, with no tricks, no coding, and no weird tinkering. So if you're on Windows 10, like about 35% of Windows users still are, you probably know that official support ended in October 2025, which effectively stopped free security updates for millions of users. Without those patches, PCs still running Windows 10 can become more vulnerable to security flaws and cyber attacks. Fortunately, Microsoft offers a legal extension through the Extended Security Updates program, which lets you stay protected through October 2026. So, if you haven't done it yet, enroll in this program. It gives you 1 extra year of security for free through October 2026. Sure, you must make a Microsoft account if you don't have one, but it's worth it for the features you'll get. Okay, let's begin. Go to the search box on your computer at the bottom left and type update. There you go. Now click check for updates. There you go. And now you can see the problem. Your version of Windows has reached the end of support. Your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So, you no longer have the important security updates, and your computer becomes more and more at risk over time. But there is a solution, and it's right below. Enroll in Extended Security Updates. So you just need to click Enroll now. There you go. A window opens. Enroll in Extended Security Updates to stay protected. That's exactly what we want. So we click Next. Since many of you won't have a PIN, I'm not going to use the PIN method. We'll use the method for if you don't have a Microsoft account, or if you do have one, but you want to use your password. So, use a method not listed here. We are not going to use verify your email. We'll use the password right away. Use your password instead. All set now. Now, I'm entering my password. So there, it's on the screen. You are eligible to enroll in Extended Security Updates at no extra cost. Extended Security Updates valid until October 2026. I click Enroll. And there you go. You're enrolled in Extended Security Updates through October 13, 2026. Now I click Done. There you go. And now I'm going to click Check for Updates. It will look for the important updates. And my computer is now protected. And there you have it. Thanks for following this tutorial. I hope it helped. If it did, feel free to like the video and even subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Have a great day.
Goodbye.